Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the latest Android 17 QPR2 update for Pixel devices, which has just been leaked and it's looking insane, with a ton of new features and improvements, so let's dive in and see what's new. The design and build of the new Pixel devices with Android 17 QPR2 are expected to be similar to the previous models, with some minor tweaks and improvements, but the real changes are under the hood, with a new app lock feature that allows you to lock specific apps with your fingerprint or PIN, adding an extra layer of security to your device. The specs and performance of the new Pixel devices are expected to be top-notch, with the latest processors and plenty of RAM, making them perfect for gaming and other resource-intensive tasks, and with the new app lock feature, you can be sure that your device is secure, even if it falls into the wrong hands. One of the most exciting new features of Android 17 QPR2 is the native app lock feature, which allows you to lock specific apps with your fingerprint or PIN, and it's super easy to use. Just long press on an app and select app lock, and you'll be prompted to enter your fingerprint or PIN to unlock it, and you can also manage all your locked apps in the Settings app, under Security and Privacy app lock. There have been some rumors and leaks about other new features coming to Android 17 QPR2, including improved battery life and a new camera app, but we'll have to wait and see what actually makes it into the final release, and with the update expected to be released in December, we don't have too much longer to wait. The expected release date for Android 17 QPR2 is December 2026, and as for the price, it's expected to be similar to the previous models, with the base model starting at around $500, and the top-of-the-line model costing over $1,000, but we'll have to wait for the official announcement to know for sure. So, what's the verdict on Android 17 QPR2? Well, it's looking like it's going to be an amazing update, with a ton of new features and improvements, and if you're a Pixel owner, you're definitely going to want to check it out, and if you're in the market for a new phone, the Pixel devices with Android 17 QPR2 are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech content, and we'll catch you in the next one.